distributed denial of service, DDoS, attack, an attack on a network or website in which multiple compromised systems are used to flood a target with traffic, making it difficult or impossible to access. Intrusion detection system, IDS, a security software or hardware that monitors network traffic for signs of possible malicious activity and generates alerts. Host-based intrusion detection system, HIDS, a security software installed on individual hosts or servers that monitors and alerts about suspicious activity on that specific device. Digital forensics, the process of collecting, analyzing, and preserving electronic evidence in order to investigate and prevent digital crimes. Uninterruptible power supply, UPS, a device that provides emergency power to a computer or other electronic equipment in the event of a power outage. Intrusion prevention system, IPS, a security software or hardware that monitors network traffic and actively blocks or prevents unauthorized access or malicious activity. Redundant site, a complete secondary site that receives the real-time copy of data from the primary site and can automatically failover all traffic in the event of a disaster. RAID 0, a type of data storage that writes data across multiple disks for faster read and write speeds but does not provide any fault tolerance or redundancy. Disaster Recovery Plan, DRP, a comprehensive plan that outlines the steps and procedures to follow in the event of a disaster, such as a natural disaster, cyber attack, or system failure. Application blacklisting, the practice of creating a list of applications that are not permitted on a system or network to prevent security risks and unauthorized access.